Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. I am Sania, a GED graduate and here to help you with your GED test. In this video, I am going to show you some tips that you should follow to pass your test with good grades. So, when you enter in the test room, the first thing you are going to do before starting the test, a deep breath. You heard it right. You will be thinking that why a deep breath is a part of exercise and other thing, but a deep breath to relax your brain, and a relaxed brain is important for before a test. So in short, when you sit on your chair, before clicking start test, take some deep breath. That will relax your brain and help you to do the test good. Number second, use affirmations. Yes, on your seat after some deep breaths, said to you 3 to 4 times, I will pass the test. I have prepared a lot, I'm prepared well, and I will pass this test. If that, remember that you don't have to say it too loudly, just say it that you can hear it, because making a noise is not allowed in the test center. So this works as a magic. Believe me, even when I was in the test room and I said this to me, my subconscious mind starts to working more good. So use affirmation, set yourself with your name. Like if my name is Sania, I will say, Sania, you are prepared well. You will pass the test. Be calm. You have everything in your mind and you will do it. These things are very important. The third thing is, when you start your test, don't lose your focus, because in nervousness we think something else, some other thoughts pop up to our mind, and in this way we do lose our focus and we don't know that we have wasted our 5 to 6 seconds, and time is money, especially in the GED test. So don't lose your focus. Whenever you feel that your mind is wandering, don't let it, and remember, then fetch your mind from that situation and focus. You can use even information at that time, but remember, don't say it very loudly, very slowly to you, like don't lose focus, don't lose focus like this, like you are whispering. So the next thing is, keep eye on time. Yes, your time is very important in GED. Sometimes students take too much time on a question. If you feel a question tough, or if it is too long to study, so you can just go through one eye from that question. Don't read it, just read the first paragraph, first line of that question, and just answer randomly, select an option and flag for review. Because if you have time, you will review it and you can do it calmly, but if you waste too much time on a question, then it is not good for you. Prioritize easier question first. If you find a question easy, do it first, and if you find a question hard, just spend 1 to 2 minutes, and if you are exceeding 3 minutes is a limit. After 3 minutes, just mark something, any option you at that time you feel right, and flag for review. Because if you spend more than 3 minutes on a question, then it will be not good for you. And also remember, leave time for review. Yeah, you have to leave almost 5 to 10 minutes for review section in the end, because it is necessary. At the end, your mind will immediately calm down, that you have the feeling that you have done the test. Now you have to just review the test. Even there is a lot of question to review, but your mind is full. You can say a full baby. You can tell anything to your mind and it will accept that. So when you complete your test, just remember that you have to leave the time for review. 5 to 10 minutes is least. You can leave more than it if you can. So another tip is take good sleep. Yes, if you did not take a good sleep, you cannot do well on your test. Sleep, in study we say it's stress level elimination exercise plan. So you have to take a good sleep before the test day. It is very important thing, because I know some students that did not take good sleeps and that directly affect on the number on GED. And a bonus tip is I have a GED study 30 days plan on each subject. Here is a little promo for GED social studies plan, and I have given the link of this plan in the description, so you can check it out. And also, if you like to have 30 days study plan for each subject, just let me know and I will provide you in the next video. And in the end, remember one golden rule for GED: practice, 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 and when you are done with practice, practice more. Yeah, you heard it right. Practice is the key for GED test. If you practiced enough, then you will definitely pass your test. For now, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.